Hey everybody, my name is Maureen Webb. I'm the creator of SoulStar Mapping, and in this reel, we are going to talk about this week's human design activations and how you might be experiencing them. So let's take a look, because there are 3 different ways that you might experience this energy depending on what's already in your chart. So, number 1. If you have gate 29 or 30 as a hanging gate, this week's transit may turn up the volume on the energy that you already carry. Now, if you have gate 29, I want you to pay attention to your commitments. What are you saying yes to? And are you actually willing to give that yes your time and energy? Or are you doing it just to be complicit? If you have gate 30, you may notice your desires or even your expectation around desires feel a little bit stronger this week. The question is, what do you really want to experience? And can you allow the experience to unfold without deciding ahead of time exactly what that needs to look like? Number 2. Look for gate 46 or 41 in your chart, because if you have either one of these gates, this week's transit may temporarily complete a channel for you. If you have gate 46, the sun in gate 29 temporarily completes the channel of discovery. And I love this channel because it is so experimental. It's about committing to the experience and discovering what becomes possible because you were willing to enter it. You don't necessarily know where the experience is taking you, but the discovery happens by living it. Now, if you have gate 41, the earth in gate 30 temporarily completes the channel of recognition. This is a deeply emotional and experimental challenge. It begins with desire, with imagination, with wanting to experience something. But part of its wisdom is recognizing that the fantasy and the actual experience aren't always the same thing. And that doesn't mean that the experience was wrong. Sometimes what we discover through living it is far more valuable than what we originally imagined. And then number 3, this is my category. If you don't have any of these gates, you're still experiencing the collective transit. You don't need a personal activation for this week to matter. You can still observe your commitments, your desires, and even your expectations. And the experiences that you are choosing to enter, I feel like there's going to be a spotlight, right? So please pay attention. The personal activations simply give us another layer for understanding how the collective energy may meet your unique design. So I want you to check your chart. Do you have gate 29, 30, 46, or 41? And if you want to know exactly how the human design transits are interacting with your chart every week, that's exactly why I created the SoulStar Mapping Transit Tracker. This transit tracker is designed to show you your weekly gates, your personal transit activations, and how you may experience this through your own unique human design. If this is something you are interested in, you know where to go. And if you're still here, I have a secret. Over the next 2 weeks, I am going to finalize a date for a free Introduction to Human Design masterclass somewhere in September. I just have to figure out a date, but stay tuned. This is going to be so much fun. Introduction to Human Design was the first big thing I did 4 years ago when I moved here to Sedona, and things are a little different. So I was like, you know what? Let's just let's just redo it. Let's, version 2.0. So stick around. Let me know down in the comments how this resonates, what gates you have, and I'll see you next time.